Dong Tao chicken, also called dragon chicken, is a Vietnamese chicken breed. This chicken is very rare. Dragon chicken is counted among the most expensive chicken in the world. It is in great demand all over the world. At full size, dragon chickens weigh between 10 to 13 pounds. However, they do not reach this size quickly. Dragon chickens often take 8 to 12 months to fully mature. Most of the weight of this special chicken is in its feet. Dragon chicken legs are, indeed, a delicacy. The bigger the legs, the tastier the chicken will be. The more the chicken walks, the stronger and bigger their muscles become. They are not the best for confinement. These chickens prefer to roam. Dragon chickens can fly too, but not higher than 1 meter. They cannot move as agilely as other breeds. Dragon chickens are raised for meat, for eggs, and also as pets. Dragon hens lay 10 to 15 eggs for about 2 to 3 weeks, rest for a few weeks, and then do so again. Dragon hens lay approximately 60 eggs per year. Egg color is typically tinted white. Their egg production will drop during the colder months. Dragon hens are not particularly broody. Even if these chickens were broody, though, their large feet would endanger the eggs. In larger operations, dragon chicken breeders often use incubators. Dragon chicken is prized for its delicate and delicious meat. They are in popular demand, but short supply. These days dragon chickens are used for creating meals at luxury restaurants because their meat is incredibly delicious. These chickens are not just valued for their taste, but also for their beauty. Dragon chickens are good-natured, with a calm temperament, and they develop trust with humans quickly and easily. They like to eat corn and rice. Dragon chickens need a high percentage of protein in their diet. Dragon roosters are full of color, as they have red, green, and black plumage. Hens are predominantly white, though it is not uncommon to see them mottled with light brown. Dragon chickens have enormous heads, legs, and feet, and are very colorful. The feet of both females and males are covered in reddish scales. All chicks are white, with black wings. They are sensitive when the weather changes. Once a particular weather pattern settles in, such as cold weather or snow, they adjust very well. These chickens are raised throughout Vietnam and the Philippines. When cared for properly, a dragon chicken has a lifespan of 6 to 7 years. It takes 8 months to 1 year until the chickens are ready for slaughtering at 3 to 5 kilograms of weight, although the males can reach 6 kilograms.